Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today is a luxury unboxing. My birthday was this past Friday and my husband got me a new little goodie. It was kind of on my wish list. I've already kind of explained my wish list, not wish list, whatever. Anyways, so yeah, he surprised me with one of the items that I had kind of put on my wish list. And yeah, so without further rambling, if you're new here, hello, my name is Krystal with a K. And I'm glad you're here. I hope that you give me a like and a subscribe, and I hope that you enjoy this video. So without further rambling, let's get into it. And I'm sure you've seen the thumbnail before you clicked into this video, but here it is. Here it is. Jimmy Choo. Woo woo. Okay, so okay, I'm just gonna open it. Okay, so here we go. Open her up. This is what it looks like. And yes, I've already opened it. Oh, it's upside down. Okay, if you haven't guessed by now, it's a bag. If I can get her out of here. Hang on. We'll set the box down along with the loud tissue paper. Ooh, here it is. I've already opened it up and tested her out. I have a hair. Oh my gosh, I swear I have hair on everything. Look at that. I don't think I can do an unboxing without a hair being on something. Okay, I want you to meet Bonnie. Oh my gosh, how freaking cute is this bag? Okay, so in my last luxury unboxing, I got the Maylee 70 sandals from Jimmy Choo in fuchsia, I think. And whenever I was on the website, I saw that and Bonnie, and I thought this was just adorable. And then now I'm finding out that we actually have Bonnie in the same fuchsia color as my shoes. May need to get that one as well. Anyways, I'm so excited. I can't even hardly speak straight. All right. So this is Bonnie. Super cute. Goes right in with the whole little bag. She's not super little, but she's just right. Okay, enough rambling. Okay, so I have, all the black and brown bags, and once you get those, you got to branch out and get some color. So I decided that this one is the next color to add to my collection. She has this little top handle. It's actually a little, like two type situation here. We have gold, excuse my nails. I'm so sorry. I know I'm always apologizing about my nails, but it is what it is. Anyway, so she has gold hardware. We have the little JC right here. She has a gold chain right here, so you can wear her crossbody or just like over the shoulder. But I just thought she was going to be so cute for the spring summer months, and I'm so excited to have her in my collection. Okay, so I have my Hourglass Balenciaga bag that I got for Christmas, and she's neon pink. And so this one is just adding to the colorful collection that I am working on building at the moment. And yeah, how freaking gorgeous. Her name is Bonnie, and this is satin, so I'm gonna have to be super careful with her, of course. But yeah, do you like her? Do you? So cute, right? So adorable. Okay, I'm done talking about her. Okay, and that's it for today. And I'll see you next time.